Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I cook this delicious Banga soup known as Ofe Akwu. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you and I so much appreciate. And let's get started. To begin, in a clean pot, I added in the already cleaned beef, shaki, onions, some salt to taste, oregano, seasoning cubes, some homemade chicken broth, ginger and garlic cube. Stir to combine, cover the pot and let it produce its own juice. After some minutes now, once the meat produces its own juice, as you can see here on the screen, now go ahead and top it up with some water, cover the pot and let it start cooking. Next, I have Ofe known as fermented locust beans. I have aroma, this is optional. Next, I have my onions and fresh pepper. Now go ahead to add them into the blender. Blend until it is smooth. Once that is done, you set it aside. As you can see here on the screen, we are done blending, set it aside. So next, in this recipe, I will be using tin pan cream. Now we are going ahead to dissolve the palm cream using hot water. Yeah, in another bowl, I strain out the palm mixture because of the black tiny particles there, okay? So I repeated this process for like 3 times, yeah. So once it's done, you set it aside. And here is the black particles that I'm talking about. So next, we are done, set it aside. Now let's check on the meat. The meat is 80% done now. Now I went ahead to scoop out the meat. Once I'm done, I set it aside. In the same pot of stock water, I added in the palm cream, okay, and start cooking. As you can see here on the screen, it has started boiling. Continue cooking until you see some red oil floating on top. That is to tell you that it is well cooked. So next, I went ahead to add in the blended mixture, okay? Some grounded crayfish and seasoning cubes. Stir to combine. Add in the cooked meat, stir, stir, stir. Smoked catfish. Smoked mackerel fish. I added in some scent leaf and spinach, or you can use any vegetable of your choice. Feel free to taste for salt. Cover the pot and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes now, our Banga stew known as Ofe Akwu is ready. Give it a gently and lovely stir and turn off the heat. Banga stew can be served with boiled white rice, yam, swallow, or in whichever way you prefer. Yes. Yeah, we have come to the end of today's video. Hope you find this amazing recipe helpful. Thank you all for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.